to question number 20. Right, given that, 2 to the x equals 2 to the n over the cubic root of 2. Fine. 2 to the y equals root 2 over 5. And that root 2 to the power 5, sorry, and x plus y equals 8, so work out the value of n. Right, so what we know is if 2 to the y equals root 2 to the 5, that looks more like a z, but that's fine. So that means that 2 to the y equals 2 to the half to the 5. So that equals 2 to the 5 over 2. So that means that y, that's 2, so y equals 5 over 2, or 2.5. So now 8 minus 5 over 2, we know that x plus y equals 8. So 8 minus 5 over 2 is 16 over 2 minus 5 over 2 equals 11 over 2. So we know that y equals 5 over 2 and x equals 11 over 2. Now I'm going to find out this bit. So I know that 2 to the power 11 over 2 equals 2 to the power n over, and this is the cubic root of 2. So that's 2 to the power a third. Okay. So that means that 2 to the 11 over 2 equals 2 n minus a third. Now we've got to work out what n is based on this. So n minus a third. So hang on, I've just got to check something in my head. So that means we know, I'm going to write this out. So 11 over 2 equals n minus a third. So that means n equals 11 over 2 plus 1/3. So that means it equals, let's make it 6th and a 6th. So that would be 2 goes into that 33 times, so we times that by 11. 3 goes into that many times. So that means n equals 35 over 6. It does seem like a remarkably tricky question, but 21. And what we're looking at here is solid cuboid, let's have a little go, has a total surface area of 370. It has a volume of 300 centimetres cubed and a total surface area of 370 centimetres squared. The length of the cuboid is 20 centimetres, and then we'll have, so that's length, and then the width is greater than the height. I mean, I've not really represented that well. Work out the height of the cuboid, and you must show where you're working. So, this is fun. So what we know is 300 divided by 20 equals WH. So that's 15. So 15 equals WH. Right, now, I can't do much else with that. So now we know that 370 equals 20 times W times 2 plus 20 times H times 2 plus WH 30. So 2 times WH. So that means we now know that 40W plus 40H equal, and let's take 30 off both sides, equals 340. So let's find W in terms, let's find H in terms of W. Let's find H in terms of W. So that would be, 40H equals 340 minus 40W, So h equals 340 minus 40w divided by 40. Okay, so if we stick that back into this one, oh, actually we could do, no, that wouldn't work. So that times w would also give us an answer for what? So in theory, 15 equals 340 minus 40 w times w over 40, which would equal 600 equals 340w minus 40w squared. Okay, let's add everything to that side. So we get 40w squared minus 340w plus 600 equals 0. I'm not even looking for h at this stage. I suppose I can times it by that. So now if we divide through by 20, we get 2w squared minus 17w plus, I think that is a plus, yeah, plus 30 equals 0. So what would give us, I might just use the calculator at this point. So, oh no, this is non-calculator paper. So I'm really not allowed to do this, but Okay, so this would equal, so that's 60 and to minus 17, so that would be 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, which is the answer. So, oh no, it isn't, because that's a minus in the middle. So that's 4 and 4 goes into that 1 and 15, 5 and 12, oh, it's 5 and 12. Good Lord, so it's minus minus, so that would be 2w squared minus 12w minus 5w plus 30 equals 0, and then that would be 2w minus 6 minus, I'm assuming 5w minus 6 equals 0, so that means w equals 6, and 2w minus 5 equals 5, so that means w equals 5 over 2. So if w's, which one's bigger? There you go. You must show me what the height. The width is greater, so the height is going to be 2 over 5. 2.5, whatever it's centimetres. I hope it's centimetres, because at this stage, if I lost a mark for that, I'd be pretty annoyed. Right, sketch the graph of sine